How to make chicken and veggie stir-fry. Before we get started, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more delicious food videos. So let's get started. Large pan on medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add chicken. Season with salt and pepper. And sauté until cooked through and browned. Remove cooked chicken from pan and set aside. In the same pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and add mushrooms. When the mushrooms start to soften, add broccoli florets and stir-fry until the broccoli is tender. Remove cooked mushrooms and broccoli from the pan and set aside. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan and sauté garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add the remaining sauce ingredients and stir until smooth. Return the chicken and vegetables to the saucy pan, stir until heated through. Serve with hot rice or noodles. Now you can easily make and enjoy your favorite foods to the next level with this simple recipe for chicken and veggie stir-fry. And that's for today's video. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.